Oh, hey, my name's Jason. I'm an IT professional with absolutely no construction skills, and I bought a house that needs to be completely remodeled. This is going to be painful. Hey, it's me again. Sorry about that. I haven't done a video in a while because I kind of felt like I just was starting to say the same things over and over again. I mean, I felt like I just was, on repeat, on repeat, on repeat, 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 repeat. But then all my fan was like, Jason, you haven't done a video in a while. What's up? I mean, I was actually getting messaged about this, so pretty much I'm famous now. This is just something I'm going to have to live with. But there is stuff to talk about. I kind of just decided to wait until there was several things to talk about, and it hasn't all happened as of this shooting, but it will soon. So I'll just kind of combine everything. You might have already seen. Let me move the camera around here. Anyway, look at all this electrical. Oh, look at that. That is a thing of beauty. That is pretty awesome. Anyway, so electrical is in the process of getting done. The electrician's been here about the better half of a week or so, or better part of a week. I think I already talked about, I talked about the cracked area in the slab downstairs. We got that filled in. Just mixed up like about 5 bags of this self-leveling concrete. Really cool stuff. It's called Uzzin. Uzzin. Really easy to work with. Anybody can do this. I mean, you literally just, it's like a super fine concrete without the rocks and all that stuff. And you just mix it up. It's pretty runny. It kind of worries you at first, but you just pour it and it just finds its level. And really cool stuff. What else? What else can I talk about? One of the plumbers broke a window. That was pretty cool. They couldn't do it while the old windows were in. But stuff happens. I need them to reconfigure the laundry room anyway. We decided that we're going to have a stacked washer and dryer in there. It's the only way it's going to make any sense. So they're going to reconfigure the laundry room plumbing for free. Holding you to it, Matt. And then we'll just take care of the window ourselves. So you might have, I don't know if I talked about it in a previous video, but the beam downstairs, we wanted to, there was a beam that's got the 2 poles underneath it, and so we wanted to put flat bar on either side of that, lag bolted in, and then that way we could take the poles out, and because they just were kind of goofy looking down there. So in order to do that, I needed to get the ducts out of the way, the main feed and the main return for the heating system. So my homie Bronze came over, took all the ductwork down, and I thought, man, this is really cool. I didn't even know he was going to come over on Friday. He got it all taken down in about 2-3 hours. And then when he took it down, what did I find? Yeah, the beam at the end of it that went inside the wall was rotten. Now what really irritates me about this is that when Hunts was out here putting in the furnace, they ran a new return, right? You can see that return up above it in that picture. There's no way they didn't see that rot. No way. They put the return right in front of it. I don't know if they thought I knew about it, but you think they would have just said, hey, because that's how, guys in the industry talk. Hey, you got some rot over here. But no, they didn't do that. The other thing that was annoying about that was that somebody previously knew about that rot because it's a 6x8, and what they did is they just said, oh, even though this is rotten, we're just going to kill the ants that were eating this up, and we're going to put this 4x4 underneath it and brace it up with a couple other 4x4s, and that'll be great because it doesn't matter that the weight of the floor is pushing down on this rotten 6x8. This 4x4 underneath it, I don't even know what they're thinking. I don't know anything about this, and I don't know what they were thinking. It's unreal. But anyway, we got a new one put up today, just like that. Somebody's walking around upstairs.
Probably everything is rolling to the center of the floor.
So, that's in, that's cool. What I'm really looking forward to is once this electrical is done, then we can finally get to something that I know what I'm doing. The networking. I'm super psyched about that. So that about does it for this update. I am ready to go home. It is 80 degrees in here, and I want to get out.